Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to 27th day of October Yoga Challenge. So let's start. We start with the humming sound three times. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in, hold the breath, breathing out, relax your shoulders, your arms, and whole body. Now we will breathe in and make a humming sound. Just keep the attention on whole of your body, each and every cell of your body while making a humming sound. Breathe in. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. So today we will do Agnisar Pranayam. So for Agnisar Pranayam, palms on your knees, facing the ground. What we do is we breathing in, we take our head up and back. And we breathe out from the mouth like this. Then once the complete breath is out, hold the breath. Come up. Keep holding the breath. There is nothing inside the body, no air inside the body, and flap your tummy in and out. And once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. So that's how we do. We will do it 3 rounds of Agnisar. So let's start. For the first round, breathe in and slowly take your head up and back. And breathe out from your mouth. Hold the breath. Chin to the chest. Lift up your shoulder and slap your tummy in and out. Once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Feel the sensations inside the body. Let's continue with second round of Agnisar. Breathe in, take your head up and back. And breathe out. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Pump your abdomen in and out. Once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Let's continue with the third round of Agnisar. Breathing in, slowly take your head up and back. And breathe out. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up and flap your tummy in and out. Once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Feel the sensations inside the body with a smile on your face. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's do some joint loosening exercises. Let's start with the neck. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out, turn your face to the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Breathe in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. Once again, breathing in, come back to the center. Breathing out to the right. In, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. In, center. Now let's bend our neck to the right side. Stay there. Feel the stretch on the left side of the neck. Breathing in, come back to the center, and breathing out to the left. Stay there. Breathing in, come back to the center. Let's do one more time on the right and the left. In, center, out, left. Come back to the center. Let's go to the shoulder region. First, straighten your arms. Pull your finger towards your body and palms away from the body. Breathing out, relax your palm. In, up, out, down, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And now here, let's make a fist by tucking the thumb inside and closing the finger. Loose fist and rotate your wrist. Clockwise, one wrist clockwise and another wrist anti-clockwise. Today we'll be working on the arm strengthening, and that's why the warming of the wrist is also very important. A lot of load will go on the arms and your wrist region. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Now again, once again, open your fingers and take your arms on both the sides. Stretch your arms, pull your finger towards your body and palms away from the body. And take a few long and deep breaths. And now gently rotate your palm. Breathing out, go to the back and down. And breathing in, center. Breathing out, front and down. Say tata, bye-bye to the pain. Enjoy the movement of the palms. And relax, shrug your shoulder. Let's do pendulum movements, left and right. Place the palms on the ground. Elbows also on the ground. Now this time when you place the right elbow on the ground, lift up your left arm, stretch your left arm. In, come back to the center on the other side. But make sure both the hips are touching the ground. Movement is happening only from your waist region and the upper half of your body. And relax, slowly come back to the center. Let's turn to the right side. Place your left palm on your right knee and your right palm on your left waist and look over your right shoulder. In, come back to the center and out on the other side. Right palm on your left knee and your left palm on the right waist, right side of the waist. Look over your right shoulder. Once again on the right side and to the left. And relax. Let's work on the knees and the ankle. Sit in Dandasana. Stretch your toes. Pull it back. Stretch. Pull it back. Stretch. Pull it back. And now rotate the ankle clockwise. anti-clockwise. And relax. Okay, shaking your finger. Let's all stand up. Let's do some warm up. Yeah. So let's start with the high knee. Make a thumb, fist and thumbs up. And let's bring our knees here like this. So depending upon your strength and flexibility, you can do fast or slow. Okay, let's start. Make a sound like you're riding a horse. Come on, don't give up. Continue. Relax. Catch a few breaths. Now let's do jumping jack. So this is position 1 and this is 2. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Let's do at least one sideways bending, Konasana. 3, spread your leg more than hip width apart. Breathing in, lift up your left arm up. And breathing out, bend to the right side. Take your left arm towards the right side. In, come back to the center. Out on the other side. Breathing in, come back to the center. Breathing out, relax. Let's come to the front of the mat. We'll do one round of Surya Namaskar and then move into the post exercise related to arm. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, front and up. 3, forward and down. 4, right leg back. Hold the breath. Left leg back. Body is in straight line. Dandasana. Breathing out. Knee, chest, chin on the ground. Breathing in, cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, Namaste. This was the first half. Let's do the second half. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3. So left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. 10, 11, 12. Relax. So let's start on the arms. Let's go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe in. Namaste. Take your arms up. Bend forward. And slowly take your right leg back. And then the left leg back. And come to Chaturanga Dandasana. So depending upon your strength and flexibility, you continue with this posture. This might be a bit challenging. Okay, so let's go on your elbows first. Stay here. Take 1 or 2 breaths and come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. One. Let's go for the second time. Go on the elbows. Take 1 or 2 breaths. And come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Two. Once again, go to the elbows. Take 1 or 2 breaths. And come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now gently place your knees on the ground and take few breaths in child pose. Relax for few breaths. Take few breaths. Slowly come up and go into Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. Touch your heels also to the ground. Bring your shoulders, bring your chest closer to your thigh. Take a perfect V. And from here, we'll slowly go into Chaturanga Dandasana. And lift up your foot, come up on your toes and cross the shoulder. Cross the shoulder in Chaturanga Dandasana and again go back to downward facing dog. One. So we will do it 3 times again. Again, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Cross the palms. Stay here for 2 breaths. But make sure your hip is still up, not down like this. Hold it up. And cross the shoulder. And go back to downward facing dog. Once again, cross the palms. And go back 3 times. Let's relax once again in child pose. Take few breaths in child pose. Okay. Once again, come to Chaturanga Dandasana. We are working on our arms. Might be a bit challenging, but it's okay. Okay. From here, we will do some push-ups. So for those who find difficult to do the push-ups, they can put your knee on the ground and do the push-ups like this. And those who are okay, comfortable, they just stay in Chaturanga Dandasana and do push-ups at least 5 times. Go down, stay for 1 or 2 breaths, and then come up. 1. Go down. 2. 3. Very good. Come on. 4. 5. Relax. Child pose once again. Once again, slowly come up in downward facing dog. So we will do downward facing dog to upward facing dog movement. Adho Mukha Svanasana to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Okay? Like this, slowly go down and come up. 1. And back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Once again, slowly go down and come up. 2. Back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now the third time. 3. Very good. And relax once again. Relax for few breaths and slowly come up again. Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. From here, we will go to the dolphin pose. Now, gently place the elbows on the ground and bring your head between that V formed by both the palms, both the forearms. Stay here. You will take your foot little bit forward. And now from here, see if you can do this movement. Breathing in slowly. Take your head beyond your palms and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Relax in child pose. Okay. Now from here we will do one more new posture today which we have not done before, which is called as Vasishthasana, the side plank pose. So it might be a bit challenging and level 2 or level 3 depending upon your body. So only those who can, those who feel that you can do it, only those try, others just relax. Come to Chaturanga Dandasana first. Chaturanga Dandasana. And now lift up your left arm up like this. Balance your body on the right arm. And if you can take your right leg behind your left. Side plank pose. Very good. I can see some of you are able to do it and some not. So no problem. It's fine. Stay here, take few breaths and relax. Come back. Let's do it on the other side, the side plank pose. Now breathing in, lift up your right arm up. And take your right leg behind the left. And relax. Once again, go to the child pose. Now slowly come up. And let's rotate our fist. Loosen up your forearms. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay. Now let's lie down on your stomach. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Make a fist with both the palms and tuck into your groin area. Tuck into your groin area. Breathing in, lift up both the legs. Stretch both the legs. Stretch both the legs. Breathing out, relax both the legs. Slide your palms and bring it below the shoulder. Breathing in, slowly come up, vertebra by vertebra. Roll your shoulders back. Breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Spread your arms over the head. And now breathing in, slowly come up in Superman or Superwoman posture. Fly high. Breathing out, relax. Now bend your knees, hold the ankle. Breathing in, lift up in Dhanurasana, the Cobra pose. Breathing out, relax. Gently flip over to your back. Let's flip over to the back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Straighten your arms over the head. And breathing out, come to the boat posture. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Your eye, finger, and toe in straight line. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Pawan Muktasana with both the legs. Breathing, bring it from your knee and bring it close to the chest. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Lift up the upper half of your body and bring your nose between the knees. You may rock your body forward and backwards. Give a good massage to your back. Gently place the head on the ground and rock sideways. And relax. Gently place both the feet close to your hips, palms facing the ground. Breathing in, lift up your waist region up. Slowly go up. And breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Straighten your leg. Let's do Natarajasana. Spread your arms on both the side of the body. Spread your arms. Now bend your right leg. Place your right foot on your left knee. With the help of the left palm, take your right leg to the left side of the body and you're facing the right palm. Breathing in, relax the stretch. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Let's do it with the other leg. Bend your left leg, place your left foot on your right knee. With the help of the right palm, take your left leg to the right side of the body and you're facing the left palm. Breathing in, relax the stretch. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Now let's take our whole body. Our legs left and right, palms up and down, head left and right. Shake, shake, shake. And let's make a humming sound here. Relax and let go. Drop, drop your whole body weight to the ground. Feel the touch of each and every part of your body touching the mat or the ground. Just drop it. Gently bring the attention to your thumb of your right palm. Just move your thumb of the right palm. Index finger of your right palm. Middle finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Your right palm. Right elbow. Right bicep. Right shoulder. Whole of your right arm. Attention on the right side of your chest. The right side of your stomach. Right half of your waist region. Right thigh. Right knee. Right shin bone. And your right feet. Right foot. Whole of the right side of your body. Gently move your attention to the left palm, left thumb. Just move your left thumb little bit. The left index finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, and your left palm, little finger. Attention on the left palm, left forearm, left elbow, left bicep, left shoulder, whole of your left arm, left collarbone, left side of the chest, left side of your stomach, left side of your waist region, left hip, left thigh, left knee, left calf muscles, and left foot. Whole of the left side of your body. Bring the attention on your neck region, the neck and throat region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. And whole body. Gently bring the attention to the whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. So here we will do Shanmukhi Pranayama. So Shanmukhi Pranayama is similar to Brahmari. Only the difference is all our fingers go to the face. So what we do is we take our thumb and place it on the eyelid. Index finger gently on your eyes, eyelids. Middle finger on your nose, middle fingers. And ring finger above the upper lips. And little finger on your chin region. We will breathe in normal and breathing out. We'll make a humming sound and close and open our earlids with the help of the thumb. Okay, so let's start. Breathe in. Relax. Shanmukhi Pranayam helps us to bring all our five senses inward. the sensation around face region. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Gently bring the attention to the sound all around you. Sound of the music, sound of the aircon, sound of the kids, if there are any, around you. And be at ease with all the sounds around you. Be in harmony with the environment. Gently bring your attention to your whole body. Bring the attention to your breath. Breath is going in and out of your nostrils, keeping your body alive. Become aware of your body and surrounding. And whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude the session